To begin with, before you even close down the eyes, find your spot. So take any adjustments that you think you're going to need to get yourself super duper comfy. And then once you've found this position, lengthening up through the spine, slight tuck of the chin in towards the chest, reaching out energetically through the crown of the head, closing down the eyes. Take a deep breath into the pit of the belly. Exhale, open the mouth, let it go. One more just like that. Inhale. And let it all go. Start by just noticing the movements and the sensations of the body, the temperature of the skin, the tightness of any clothes that you might be wearing, and the softness of any materials that you can feel against your skin. Bring your awareness now to the breath. And without trying to change it, just noticing if it feels open and easy, restricted, tense, deep or shallow, soft and quiet, or a little bit louder. Enjoying the silence and the stillness. And lift the heart gently towards the clouds, towards the sky. And then allow yourself to look within. Looking towards the heart space. I want you to imagine your heart center pooling with a warm white light. This light is calming and cleansing and purifying. Allow this light to wash in and around your heart center. And then all the way down as it trickles like a gentle river through the rib cage, weaving in and out of the ribs, coating everything that it touches with a light golden glow. As the water and the light then trickles down into the belly, through all the internal organs, wraps itself around the stomach and the pelvis, past the hips, the thighs, down to the knees, around both shins and both ankles, all the way to the tips of your toes. And then this warm golden light washes back up, past the knees, past the thighs and the hips, through the belly, back into the heart space. Like a whirlpool of warm, golden, cleansing light. Where it pools back in the heart space and then trickles down both arms, past the shoulders, and wrapping the tops of the arms down to the elbows in that golden glow, down into the forearms, the wrists, the palms of the hands, all the way out to the tips of the fingertips. And then gently, as it washes back up the arms, to the elbows, to the armpits, across both collarbones, and down back into the heart space. Then it extends up from the heart and moves up the spine towards the neck, towards the base of the skull, the back of the head. You can feel it warming and feeling enveloped by this beautiful, calming, cleansing light as it reaches the crown of your head and works down towards the forehead, the temples, and then gently falls down the front of the face like a waterfall, past the eyelids, the cheeks, the lips, down the jaw, and then down past the chin. Moving back in towards the heart space. Bringing your awareness back to the breath now. Noticing how much the belly has softened. How heavy the arms and the limbs have all become. The shoulders no longer hold tension, and the mind no longer races, bathing in the free space that you've created. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale and let it out. You can begin to gently blink open the eyelids when you're ready. Remembering exactly where you are in time, in space, on this earth. The corner edges of your mouth can lift up into a sweet smile. A deep thanks for our existence here on Mama Earth. Enjoy the day, remembering to stay calm, to create time and space, to connect and to reconnect to what's truly important in life. Namaste.